Are you struggling with the FTCE Business Education Grades 6 through 12 051 exam? If so, you're in the right place. I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. This section covers important concepts like workplace trends, career planning tools, soft skills, and emerging job roles. Let's dive into some practice questions and get one step closer to passing the FTCE. When guiding students in the transition from school to college or careers, which of the following is an effective tool for exploring various career options and the education needed for those careers? A detailed career exploration workbook with activities and reflection questions. B, an online career assessment and planning system. C, a database of college majors and associated career paths. Or D, a series of informational interviews with professionals in various fields. A, workbook with activities is incorrect. This can help students reflect, but it doesn't give up-to-date career data or match their skills and interests to real careers. C, database of majors and careers is incorrect. Useful for information, but it doesn't guide students based on their personal strengths or help them plan steps towards a career. D, informational interviews is incorrect. These offer real-world insights, but they're time-consuming and don't give students a broad view of many career options. Your correct answer is an online career assessment and planning system. These systems are designed to help students understand their interests, skills, and values, and how they relate to potential career paths. They often provide comprehensive information about different careers, including the education and training required. Which of the following emerging workplace trends is primarily influenced by technological advancements and the increasing value placed on work-life balance? Your choices are a resurgence in demand for typewriter skills, the adoption of artificial intelligence for routine tasks, a decline in the use of project management software, or an increase in traditional 9-to-5 work hours. Resurgence in typewriter skills is incorrect. Typewriters are outdated. Technology is moving forward, not backward. A decline in project management software is incorrect. Actually, the use of this software is increasing to help teams work more efficiently, not decreasing. Increase in traditional 9-to-5 work hours is incorrect. Many workplaces are moving toward flexible hours and remote work, not sticking to a strict 9-to-5 schedule. The correct answer is B, the adoption of artificial intelligence for routine tasks. This advance in technology, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI, are significantly changing the workplace. AI is increasingly being used to automate routine tasks, which can lead to more efficient processes and allows human employees to focus on more complex and creative work. In the context of career development, which soft skill is increasingly valued by employers and contributes to meeting workplace expectations in a collaborative environment? Your choices are A, the ability to operate fax machines efficiently, B, proficiency in using an abacus for calculations, C, demonstrating strong emotional intelligence when interacting with colleagues, or D, expertise in shorthand notation. Operating fax machines is incorrect. Fax machines are rarely used anymore. This is an outdated technology. Using an abacus is incorrect. While interesting historically, it is not a practical skill in today's digital workplaces. Shorthand notation is incorrect. It is not commonly needed now since most people type and use voice-to-text tools. The correct answer is C, demonstrating strong emotional intelligence when interacting with colleagues. Emotional intelligence is a soft skill that encompasses the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions as well as the emotions of others. In the workplace, high EI contributes to better teamwork, leadership, and conflict resolution. Which of the following represents an emerging career path that developed in response to advancements in digital technology and data analysis? A. Pager technician. B. Typewriter ribbon manufacturer. C. VHS repair specialist. Or D. Data scientist. Pager technician is incorrect. Pagers are outdated. Most people use smartphones now. Typewriter ribbon manufacturer is incorrect. Typewriters aren't used much anymore, so this job is mostly obsolete. VHS repair specialist is incorrect. VHS tapes have been replaced by digital streaming and modern media formats. The correct answer is D, data scientist. The field of data science has emerged as a significant career path due to the exponential growth of data and the need for sophisticated analysis to turn that data into actionable insights. Data scientists use statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization techniques to solve complex problems and drive decision-making in business. Thanks for sticking with me as we tackled some key concepts from the FTCE Business Education grades 6 through 12 051 exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you can get notified every time we drop new content. And remember, Study.com has everything you need to succeed on the FTCE. Full study guides, video lessons, flashcards, and tons of practice questions, all designed to help you pass with confidence. Happy studying!